What?
I don't want to eat the garlic.
Hi friends, once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash. Today,
Once again.
Once again.
hello friends, once again welcome to Yummy
Not
Treats.
once again. Hello friends, welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash.
It's okay.
Capture. Hello friends, once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash. Today, I'll be making some yummy noodle cutlet. I am having lunch now. Our summer vacations have started and today for breakfast we have had some noodles. So with this leftover noodles, I was planning we can make some yummy noodle cutlets.
Do you know the recipe? We'll figure out a recipe.
No, I know the recipe.
Oh, you know the recipe? Okay.
So here for lunch I am having buttermilk curry with rice and some carrot stir fry.
Your favorite, no?
So post lunch we are going to start the recipe.
And what is Athar doing? What is Athar doing? He doesn't want to eat carrot, it seems. Athar! Finish fast! Oh, he has a stopwatch. What is that? Oh, hourglass. Minute glass. Oh no. Remove that.
I'm not that.
Okay, now let me see.
It's full of sodium.
Okay, start Athar.
This part is
Let me see.
This part is full of sodium.
Okay, no sodium.
Sodium.
Heh,
Inside it is sodium.
nothing fell, it's secured inside. Okay, chalo, start. No competition, but eat fast. Chew and eat. What are you doing?
Somebody gave me extra time.
Try
Times.
Time pass. Give it to him.
My extra time.
Is Athar joining you for the recipe?
Yum.
Are you joining? And do what? And do what? Huh? Disturb. You come and we finish. You can come and eat.
We need 2 boiled potatoes and I'm peeling them.
So one is peeled.
Yeah. Here I have 1 big bowl of boiled noodles. Using this chopper, I'm going to finely chop 2 onions. Wow.
Sure. It's nicely chopped.
Here I have a big bowl. Now
What are the things that you're mixing?
I'm mixing the noodles.
This is boiled noodles, 1 big bowl.
2 potatoes.
2 boiled potatoes. So we'll mash everything, is it?
Yeah. It will hold the ingredients together.
This is for the binding.
Yeah.
Then?
Some onions.
So these are 2 chopped onions. And some
coriander.
fresh chopped coriander leaves. This is optional, I think, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And then after you mix everything,
You add some.
are you planning to add ginger garlic paste?
Yeah.
Little bit.
Yeah. Whatever spices you like, you can add them. You can add fresh herbs like pudina and mint leaves. If not, you can also add dry herbs.
Are you adding any dry herbs?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay. This is the mixed Italian herb.
And then some
You're adding
some chili powder.
chili powder.
Yeah. First, I'm going to start with the noodles. Friends, we have boiled the noodles with little bit of salt. You should make sure you don't add too much.
So when you add salt, we have to keep that in mind.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are.
Oh no! Oh no! Disturbing agent has come. Why didn't you eat the carrot? Why didn't you eat the carrot? Don't give him any cutlet. Okay. Don't touch.
Now
Don't touch anything, Athar.
I'm going to add 2 boiled potatoes.
Okay.
I've added 2 boiled potatoes. We'll mash them at the end. Now we are adding some onions. 2 chopped onions. I think it's gonna rain. Perfect time to have this snack. Now I'll add obviously coriander. I like it this way. As I said, you can add any boiled vegetable to this, like carrots, peas, and even sweet corn. You can even add blanched spinach. Now I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon should be enough.
Check. So much.
Stop.
Okay.
Now time to add seasoning.
Some dry mixed herb. So how much are you adding? About half a teaspoon?
Yeah. No, I'm adding more.
Around a teaspoon. How much?
Teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Some salt. Wait.
No need. Half a tablespoon.
We'll check. We can taste, no? At the end.
Enough. It's too much. I'm adding chili powder. You can also add chili flakes or paprika.
So this is as per your taste. So okay. So you didn't add chili flakes. You added chili powder.
Yeah. Now I'm adding about one teaspoon of chaat masala for that tangy chatpata taste.
You want to add some more?
No.
Another half teaspoon?
No. Smells so good. Friends, all this, even chaat masala, will have some salt. Now I'm going to add yummy ketchup.
How much? 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Ketchup also has salt.
Yeah. If you want, you can also add Maggi magic masala. I wish I had that. Okay. Now time for the fun part. You have to mash the potatoes together while mixing. I'm gonna mix everything out. At this stage, you can always check the taste and add some seasoning if the need. You can adjust the seasoning if the need be. Make sure you don't crush or mash the noodles. The noodles has to be visible. Or else what's the fun while you're having noodle cutlet and there's no noodles showing. They are not visible.
Is it done? So you're just bringing it together, no?
Yeah, this should not
So
be
potatoes has to be mashed well.
there. Yeah. You can also add some grated cheese. Perfect. Awesome. I'm going to make cutlets and keep it on a plate here.
What shape are you making?
Tiki
Round?
shape. Tiki.
Shall we make triangle?
We'll make all shapes.
No. Make one shape. Then you'll fight for the shape. Athar will say, I want triangle. I want rectangle.
Who cares? I'll give it to him.
No. Make
Tiki
one
is a
shape.
tiki. Okay, we'll try making
Let it be
this time
identical. What are you doing?
triangle.
You're making triangle?
Yeah.
I help?
No. Very easy.
We can do it fast, no?
Okay. Does this look like a triangle?
Sure. Hey, nice. It's looking nice. Looking so cute. Very nice. Don't you think it is a little bulky? Should we make smaller size? Or is it okay?
This is okay.
Hmm?
Cutlet is
Okay.
this big.
Okay.
6.
How many?
I made six triangles and 8 circles.
This, 15.
Totally, we could make 15 cutlets.
Making this was a little time taking, no? It was-
Making this was a bit time taking, yeah.
That was time consuming.
So we made
this
less
was
of
easy.
those, yeah.
This was easy.
Easy.
But that looks good.
And it's easy. Which looks good.
The triangles.
We are going to fry this now. I'm going to make a cornflour slurry and dust it in some breadcrumbs and fry it.
Cornflour slurry, how much cornflour?
I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of cornflour.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Yeah, more than 1 tablespoon.
Little bit of salt. Little salt.
I'm adding some salt. I've added very little salt and I'm going to add some chili flakes to the breadcrumbs. You can add any seasoning you like. So when you eat it tastes good. I'm going to add water and make a thin slurry.
I need to add some more. Need to add some more cornstarch.
Yeah, perfect. I'm mixing this. The best part is we are making it healthy by shallow frying it. We are not going to deep fry it. Add some oil. The oil is getting heated up. Let me work on the cutlets.
So this is how thin it is.
I'm going to take one cutlet at a time, dip it in the cornstarch slurry and dust it in the breadcrumbs. One hand dry and other hand will be used for my cornstarch slurry. The cutlets are done and ready to go inside the frying pan.
Is the oil hot?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll help you.
me too.
No, wait.
Why?
To do it carefully.
Yeah, I'll do it carefully.
No, Kanna.
Is this the...
No.
Please.
I'm scared.
Hey mama, please. Shallow frying also I'm not allowed to
Okay,
do.
you place this.
Hey, we place this last slide is standard.
Good.
I can't place this now. You have to cook it till it's a golden brown.
On both sides.
Yeah.
Actually, everything is cooked in this. No?
Yeah.
We just have to get the correct color.
Oh, this only came like a time.
So you work on these dusting, coating and dusting.
Get hand.
You can use a spoon actually, see?
No.
Yeah, it's easy. Wait, I'll show you.
No.
Oh, no,
I don't like it.
See, it's so easy, okay?
I don't like it that
your
way.
both hands will be dry.
We have to keep the flame low medium.
We could have done one thing. We could have mixed the carrot sabzi, which we made, carrot stir fry. No, we could have mixed it. Perfect tea time snack.
Yeah.
We'll make this for Atharv's birthday.
Yeah.
Kids will love it. No? It's easy also.
Not time taking also. Could have added cheese.
Cheese.
Or instead we could have added butter for
Yeah.
greasing. No?
Butter will taste more good. Heavenly.
Them more flavorful, please, I highly recommend you to use cheese and butter. Friends, I'll give you another tip. If you want your cutlet to be more crispy, you can add rice flour to the mixture.
What? You want to eat? He wants to eat.
Okay, let's plate it. I'm going to make an interesting dip.
What dip?
Cheese, ketchup and mayo. Me and my brother love this combination.
Is it? Is it?
Because we're going to have one.
Mayo plus ketchup. Does Atharv know the recipe?
Yeah.
Is it?
Recipe of the secret dip.
The dips are ready?
Yeah.
That is our secret dip. Don't see.
Oh, what secret? I know the recipe.
Don't see our secret dip. Secret dip. Don't allow them to see our secret dip.
Why should they not see ketchup also?
Ah, ketchup dip is see, but
Hey.
not-
There are only 5.
There are 4 there, here 5. They're here.
Take? No, you don't want to take. 9
You
is
guys are eating triangles.
a secret.
No? How is it?
Nice. Mind blowing.
Is it hot?
Friends, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Huh?
Friends, if you like the recipe, give us a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. And subscribe and describe.
Subscribe.
And
If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in a brand new recipe. This had become crispier and it was too good. It was damn good.